a bar to my Africa star, and a clasp to pin on my breast. Then I'll stay here in base, with a smile on my face, content on my laurels to rest. Star, beautiful star, I'd rather have beer by far. If you've an acre or two, I'll have Stella with you, while I tell you how I won my star. Distribution was wide, it spread like a tide, like the leaves that come down in the fall. For as you can see, they gave one to me, and to Naffy and Ensa and all. Star, beautiful star, I'd rather have beer by far. If you've an acre or two, I'll have Stella with you, while I tell you how I won my star. Lady Asta herself has one on the shelf to wear when she puts on her togs. If you look down the list, the only ones that they missed were the Jerrys, the Eye-Ties and dogs. Star, beautiful star, I'd rather have beer by far. If you've an acre or two, I'll have Stella with you, while I tell you how I won my star. Oh, give me a bar in my homeland afar, where I can